Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases, which I'm very excited about. I feel like it's a real vibe, like everything matches, and I love every second of it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I do have a wiggle for this week that I'm super excited about. It is going to be one of the slight misfit ones. Some of the pages, you'll be able to see here, I'll show you guys what you can see. It's not really affecting many stickers, but you see the little foil fleck on there. They do scrape off, and you might have a page with them, you might have 2 pages with them, you'll likely have no pages with them. So there will be a slight discount on this, and this is a mixed metal wiggle, and it has the lavender hollow and regular hollow, which I think goes amazingly with all of the kits released this week, along with, I'm sure, plenty others. It is in the twinkle format, so like I said, it is a mixed metal wiggle. This is actually the first mixed metal wiggle that we're releasing in the newer format, which is just so fun. So you do have all of the mixed metal goodness on here in lavender hollow and regular hollow. This is my favorite sheet because you have your mixed metal twinkle headers, the full boxes, and then the half cut headers, and then there's also the cutout icons, the script sampler, and then also the bottom washi. And I just love this. It'll go great with all of your other, hollow items, along with lavender hollow items. It's just so good. It's honestly so good, and it's gonna look so good with all of the kits released this week. So again, that'll be on a little bit of a misfit price there for you guys, because some of the sheets may be a little bit dusty. So let's go into the other releases. So I guess we'll do the exclusive art last, because then it kind of goes with these other items that I'm releasing. Let's go into Moonlight Bride first. So this is super pretty art. I just thought this was really, really pretty. It kind of reminds me of the Nightmare Before Christmas art from last year, because it is by the same artist. I just think it's so pretty. Villa did a really good job on this, and I just thought it was fantastic, and I love the darker colors. I did kind of pull in some of the lighter colors just so that you have the darker colors in the full boxes, and then kind of these are accenting the lighter colors in here. But then I also really loved the kind of a dark blackish blue tone, a blue tone black. So I did do that functional add-on that you guys really liked. So you get some little things, a fancy label, a third label, and a half box. And then I also did the 15mm in that, just because I thought it would look really pretty, just to kind of bring in that deeper, darker colors in here. And obviously if you have any other black or charcoal items, I think that would look really, really pretty. But this does come with the mini kit. So you have the full boxes, you have the deco. I just love these colors. Look how pretty it looks together. Oh, I love it so much. The new mini kit page, which is Life, and then I did do a floral bottom wash, which I think looks really nice. And then I also did an extra full box because I cannot let that art slide. That was so pretty, and I love it with the trees in the background. It just looks really seamless. Oh, so cute. So that again is Moonlight Bride, obviously based off / inspired by Corpse Bride, and that is the little freebie that goes with it. It is a mini kit exclusive. So these are the glitter headers if you want to add them on. Then there's also the 15mm strip if you want to add it on, and then there's also the 15mm. So that is Moonlight Bride. There is also Boude, which is a really, really cute celebratory Halloween kit. I feel like you could use this if you have a spooky friend. If I didn't already have a kit planned for Kirsten's birthday, this would be really cute for Kirsten, or Carolyn. If you were trying to plan somebody's birthday who is into spooky stuff, or if you just have a birthday during Halloween, or if you're having a Halloween party, or if you really just want a cute kit. I'm using it personally for my half birthday. And then also, I'm saying my friend, she's Kirsten's friend, but I'm adopting her as my friend. Allie's birthday is my half birthday, so I'm just gonna be celebrating all the birthday vibes. So I'm just excuses to use it. I would have used it for Kitna's Jess's birthday, but I am going to be using this kit for her birthday. So I just love this art. And I remember Jess told me that she was gonna be doing a glam Halloween set months ago, and I was could use it, could not use it in my planner. I don't know. But then she was sending me sneaks of this, and I was oh God, I just can't. I am not, honestly, there's just no way I can skip Candace Jess art. It's impossible. I love it. I love everything about this. I love the girls. I love the vibes. I love the colors. I love everything. Ugh. Just look at the full boxes. They're so pretty. So then you have your extra full boxes here, which is just like the little super cute feet with the fishnets, which is just so good. I love the patterns. There's like the faux black with like colorful bits, glitter throughout. I did a little close-up of the cake. So if you were doing like a little like happy birthday quote box, it would be really cute. I did like take off the quote just so it looks a little bit different. And I did like a little moon and star on there. And you know, it could be like a birthday party, it could be a Halloween party, it could be whatever kind of party, a party for one, it doesn't matter. These colors are everything with the black on top. It does have like a little bit of the gold sprinkled in there as well as the colors because it does have a lot of gold accents, but I really thought I was gonna do gold accents throughout, but I kind of wanted to leave it more up to the user as far as like if you want to bring in the gold, like champagne lights with this would be amazing. But like I said this week, I think that the wiggle, it goes with every single kit. Like this is really pretty. Hold on, let me pull this one out. Like this also works with this, and then the next kit, it works. So you could really bring in like hollows, you could bring gold, you could do a mixed metal moment, you could bring in black prism. There's a lot of options. Even like there's like green accents in here and it's not included in the kit colors. So you could definitely bring in a little bit of green and I think it'd be really pretty. So there is that page, the Nude Little Things page, and then the bottom washi, which I am like obsessed with, like fishnet, tights, all the jazz. And then there is also the clear freebie with the black scripts on them. So it's so good. This one also does come in a mini kit, which is the same format as Moonlight Bride. So I'm not going to show you that, but it's right here. We do unlimited stock for the first 48 hours on the mini kits and the special pricing, even more special pricing on the wiggle. So I did do for the 15mm strip, it is the pink to the purple ombre. There's also the option if you went out on the label sampler. There is also the option if you went out on the glitter headers, which has the like multicolor, like black, gold, and colorful throughout it. And then there's also a fashion girl add-on. So I did do some like recolored girls and then also some girls from the kit. So if you wanted like a more modest look, but then you got like the sassy ones here. So super cute. Then last but certainly not least, oh my God, this is my last Halloween custom art. Save the best for last. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. It's called Dead Inside and I am just here for it. It reminds me so much of Kirsten. Like, it's just so perfect. It's Kirsten. But like I said, I think if like maybe in future years I probably should just use like a Halloween kit for Kirsten because like everything like horror and spooky and like Dead Inside, definitely all Kirsten vibes. And I just think like if Kirsten was like a teen now, I feel like she would dress really like this with like the cool like oversized sweaters and like skinny jeans. She would probably wear that right now. So love this Dead Inside. So you have these super cute girls here. You have lots of different like references and things. There's a stack of VHSs, which I mean, come on. This scene is like actual life. I love this girl's fishnets. They're so pretty. Oh my God. So cute. And then you have Stephen King books here, which I actually ordered a Stephen King book. I texted Kirsten and I was like, Kirsten, please pray for me because I just ordered a Stephen King book and I'm going to try and read it. So that's a thing. It's Under the Dome because Under the Dome, they canceled after 3 seasons and I need to know like what the dome is. So I know I can read a synopsis, but I don't know. And Jeepers Creepers used to be one of my favorite movies, but now I have real fears in life. And then like the little remote control, the kitty cat, the Starbucks cup, everything here. It's so good. There's just the more you look at it, the more you find, which I love. The extra full boxes here, which you have the close-up of the like fishnets here, but it's kind of like the lower half because this was just too much like good detail. I posted this on Instagram and everyone was blowing up my DMs. And then I just have a little planner look here and there you got like a little print impression planner here, which I thought was super cute. Oh goodness, with the cover. And then yeah, I think Kane should come out with this cover because it'd be really cool. And then there's some washi, some stickers, and then like a little bow there. I love these colors. Again, you have like all these like colors mixed into the glitter, so you can really use any foil with this. But like I said, I really think that this one would look pretty, but also like a sparkly hollow, a pink, a purple, black prism. You got lots of options. Or a purple. Ooh, so pretty. I love this, and the papers are perfection. So pretty. And then you have the bottom washi, which just gives me kind of like mild celestial vibes, but I think it's really pretty with the contrast. And then the 15mm strip, I went with the darker color, which I love. So pretty. But this is also one that if you ever like, I think you probably should pick up some extras if you're ever like, I wish that this kit had a black a black strip because black matches everything. And that's like kind of the black color that I use. And it also does have, did I say it has the clear freebie? I don't know. But this kit does come in a mini kit. There is the option if you want to add on the label sampler. There is the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, which has the multicolor glitter throughout. There is also the option if you add on the fashion girls, which come on. These fashion girls are like next level epic. You have the 2 tall boxes and then the 4 regular boxes, which I'm living for. I love this girl's hair. I look terrible with the pixie cut, but if I could pull it off, I would. And then there are some vinyls and a magnet I wanted to try out. So I think that all of the vinyls that I released the first round, the first 3 are sold out. And then the ones from last week have 30 or less left. And I did do like kind of a limited stock for these as well. So you do have the VHS stack, which I thought was so cool. Kirsten was like, I need that. And also the bat bow, which Kirsten also needed that. This is just very Kirsten. And then also the bow in pink as a magnet, which is going to go great on a planner card. And you know, it had to be pink. So that is everything for this week. I have Chewy's queso waiting downstairs for me. So I'm like on hyper speed mode. So excited. This would also look really good with this kit too. Just saying, if you wanted to do black instead of the pink, but the pink and purple ombre. But that's everything. I am so excited. I am ready for Halloween. This is my last Halloween custom, but that does not mean that it is the last Halloween kit that I'm releasing. There is more art coming, just not exclusive art. So stay tuned for that, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.